Unlock the Future 10 Must-Read AI Books of 2025. Yo, what's up everybody, it's AI Tech Think and we're back with another video. Now you know how much I love tech and lately, AI has been blowing my mind. But the real question is, with AI evolving faster than ever, how to keep up? That's what we're tackling today. We're diving deep into the top 10 AI books of 2025. Whether you're just starting your AI journey or you're a seasoned tech enthusiast, this list has something for everyone. So buckle up, grab your reading glasses, and let's unlock the future together. Alright, kicking things off with a book that's perfect for beginners. Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans by Melanie Mitchell. Mitchell breaks down these complex AI concepts into simple, relatable stories. It's like, imagine you're chilling at a coffee shop just having a casual chat about AI with a friend. Mitchell explains everything from machine learning to deep learning, even tackling the ethical implications of AI, all in a way that's easy to understand. So, if you're curious about AI but don't want to get bogged down by technical jargon, this is the perfect starting point. Next up, we're cranking up the intensity with Superintelligence Paths, Dangers and Strategies by Nick Bostrom. It dives deep into the existential questions surrounding AI. What happens if or when machines surpass human intelligence? Bostrom explores the potential risks of superintelligent AI, from economic disruption to threats to humanity itself. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but Bostrom argues that it's a very real possibility that we need to be prepared for. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Bostrom also outlines potential strategies for aligning AI development with human values, ensuring a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Now let's shift gears and explore the future with AI 2041, 10 Visions for Our Future by Kai-Fu Lee and Chen Qiufan. Instead of dry analysis, it presents 10 short stories that imagine what the world could look like in 2041, all shaped by the power of AI. We're talking about everything from AI-powered healthcare to virtual companions, even the impact of AI on geopolitics. It's like Black Mirror, but instead of being totally dark and dystopian, it offers a more balanced view, exploring both the opportunities and challenges AI presents. This book is a wild ride, and it really gets you thinking about the potential consequences of the choices we make today. Let's get down to business with The Fourth Industrial Revolution by Klaus Schwab. Schwab argues that we're in the midst of a fourth industrial revolution, driven by technologies like AI, robotics, and the Internet of Things. He breaks down how these technologies are disrupting industries, economies, and even our daily lives. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand the forces shaping our future. Alright, time to get philosophical with Life 3.0 Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Max Tegmark. Tegmark explores a range of potential futures, from utopian scenarios where AI solves humanity's biggest challenges, to dystopian visions where AI surpasses and potentially even replaces humans as the dominant intelligence on Earth. Tegmark doesn't shy away from the big questions. What is consciousness? What does it mean to be human in the age of AI? Now, if you're serious about diving deep into the technical side of AI, Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig is the Bible. It covers everything from the history of AI to the latest algorithms and techniques, all with a level of depth and rigor that's unmatched. It's the foundation for a serious AI education and a go-to reference for anyone working in the field. Alright, let's talk business. The Business Case for AI by Kavita Ganesan is essential reading for any entrepreneur or business leader looking to leverage AI for growth and innovation. It's packed with real-world case studies and actionable insights, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to stay ahead of the AI curve. Now, let's break down the economics of AI with Prediction Machines, The Simple Economics of Artificial Intelligence by Ajay Agrawal, Joshua Gans, and Avi Goldfarb. This book takes a unique approach to understanding AI by focusing on its impact on prediction. The authors argue that AI is fundamentally a prediction technology that's making it cheaper and easier to predict all sorts of things, from customer behavior to market trends. They explore how this is changing decision-making in business, finance, and beyond. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Generative AI for Beginners Playbook by Branson is your guide to the exciting world of AI-powered creativity. This book is all about using AI to create art, music, and more. Adams provides a hands-on guide to using generative AI tools, even if you have no prior coding experience. You'll learn how to generate stunning visuals, compose original music, even write poetry with the help of AI. It's a fun and accessible way to explore the creative potential of AI. And finally, we're ending on a mind-blowing note with The Singularity is Nearer by Ray Kurzweil. This book takes us on a wild ride into a future where humans and machines merge, a concept known as the singularity. Kurzweil, a renowned futurist and inventor, argues that the singularity is closer than we think, driven by the exponential growth of technology. He paints a picture of a future where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to profound changes in how we live, work, and even think. So, there you have it, the 10 must-read AI books of 2025. From beginner-friendly introductions to mind-bending explorations of the future, this list has something for everyone. If you're ready to dive into these fascinating reads, check out the links in the description to grab your copies. Thanks for watching, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.